In this video, we will learn about the standard and custom objects in Salesforce. In Salesforce, objects are database tables that allow us to store data specific to our organization. They are the backbone of our data model, which enables us to organize and manage information efficiently. Now, Salesforce objects come in two main types, standard objects and custom objects. Let's talk about each of them one by one. Standard objects are predefined by Salesforce and come out of the box with every Salesforce instance. These objects cover common business data needs and are designed to support standard CRM functionality. Some common standard objects include account for managing companies we do business with, contact for storing information about individuals, opportunity for tracking potential sales, lead for managing prospects, and case for handling customer issues. Now that we have a good understanding of standard objects, let's move on to the custom objects. Custom objects are user-defined objects that we create to meet our unique business needs. They allow us to extend Salesforce's functionality beyond what is provided by standard objects. For example, if our business needs to track project details or inventory levels, we can create custom objects for these specific purposes, as standard objects may not have all the fields or columns that are needed here. Also, standard objects have many additional fields that are not needed for this purpose, making them not suitable in this scenario. Let's see how we can create and configure a custom object in Salesforce. Make sure that we are on the setup page. If we are not, we can click on the wrench icon in the top right and click on the setup from the drop-down menu. Now, once you are on the setup page, we need to click on Object Manager. On the Object Manager page, we need to click on the Create menu and select the Create Object option. This is the object creation page. Here, we need to specify the label and plural label of the object. The object name will be auto-populated. We need to make sure that this object name is unique in our Salesforce instance. If it is already used by any other object, Salesforce will not allow us to use that same object name. The other important setting to notice here is the deployment status. There are two options available, in development and deployed. By default, deployed will be selected. If we choose in development, other users in the Salesforce instance will not be able to use this object to capture the data. However, the status deployed indicates that we have completed the design of this object and this object is now ready to use for other users in the instance. There are quite a few additional options that are there on this page, and some of them will be pre-selected or populated. We will cover these options in a separate video. Once you have filled in the necessary information, click on the Save button. Our custom object is now created and we can add fields, relationships and other customizations as needed. Let's now compare standard and custom objects to understand their differences and when to use each. Standard objects are predefined by Salesforce, however, custom objects are user-defined, that is, defined and created by us. Standard objects allow limited customizations, like we cannot remove or change any standard fields or rename these objects or change their relationships with other standard objects. However, the custom objects on the other hand are completely customizable. Standard objects are used to collect, store and process common business data. However, custom objects are used for specific business requirements. Standard objects are great for handling common business processes and data, while custom objects are perfect for capturing data that is unique to our organization's specific needs. Understanding when to use standard objects versus when to create custom objects is key to designing an effective Salesforce data model. Now, let's go over some best practices for working with these objects. Following best practices ensures that your data model is robust, scalable, and easy to maintain. Use standard objects whenever possible. Leverage Salesforce's built-in functionality to minimize complexity. Name custom objects clearly. Use clear and descriptive names to avoid confusion and ensure ease of use. Define relationships thoughtfully. Establish proper relationships between objects to maintain data integrity and support reporting needs. Document your customizations. Maintain documentation for any custom objects and fields you create to ensure consistency and ease of maintenance. Finally, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give a thumbs up. Share this video if you think this will help someone understand the explained Salesforce concept. Do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about my videos, as I will be sharing such interesting Salesforce content to help you in your Salesforce adventure. Lastly, write to me in comments if you have any questions regarding any Salesforce topic or you want me to create a video about that topic. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.